OMK uthi ayikho into ebimcika njengama-leaders amnyama lawa join i-GNU ngokuthi bakhulume kabi ngabantu abahluphekile. Uthi abanye babo bajoin i-GNU just to protect i-system le ekuhlezi kukhalwa ngayo. Abanye baprotect abelungu ngoba nakho bengafuni ukuthi umhlaba ubuye. Uthi-ke sekusolakala nokuthi laba bantu balawulwa yibo abelungu manje. Ngoba uthi bakhuluma kanjani nge-unity nabantu ababaphuca umhlaba. Lokhu kugcina ukuthi baze bakhipha amazwi ukuthi badayisa ngabantu abamnyama.
Yazi lamalanga benibukela iparlamente no. Ayikho into bifike ngicike njengokubona lama leaders la join i-GNU wabantu abamnyama talking about poor people. They have that audacity to stand on the podium and talk about poor people as if they're standing for us. Siyayazi ukuthi i-GNU is not for South Africans. I-GNU bayenze just to protect the market. And mna nawe siyazi ukuthi we don't own the market. We have nothing to do nama market. Bazi kahle usirela ukuthi why benze i-GNU bayayazi lonto. Nalaba bajoin i-GNU lama leaders laba kwezinye party lazo. Benza ngathi bajoin i-GNU ngenjongo zokuphucula impilo zabantu or taking country forward. Siyazi ukuthi na abanye bajoine la GNU just to protect the system. The same system is oppressing us. The same system we're complaining about. They are defending the system. Abanye bajoine GNU ngoba baprotecta belungu laba phethe umhlaba wethu abafuna umhlaba ubuye. Asinanto kwenza ne-GNU thina. Ayabona lama leaders ajoine i-GNU akho neyodwa ilide ke yeza kuma voters yafika yababuza ukuthi how do they feel about this whole GNU thing. Bavuka abantu just because befuna amazikhundla ama ministries. Bazi puppets abelungu babasaba kakhulu abelungu. Economy yethu izandla zabelungu bayiphethe bafuna uyibuyisa. Banomhlaba omninzi umhlaba ongasebenziyo. Yabo abelungu abafuni ukushare lomhlaba lo. Awumninzi umhlaba ongasebenziyo. Lo mhlaba lo onwa ngabo uthi hayi lo mhlaba lo is private property. Private owned. Yeah. They are busy preaching fake unity, fake rainbow nation. How can we preach unity kwi-country esiphila ngaphansi kwe-unfairness? Uyipreach kanjani unity kunabantu abangaziboniyo beshare into abayithatha ngenkani ukuthi bayishare nathi ukuthi siyidabule phakathi sikwazi basilingane? We're busy preaching the fake unity as if you are united. Siyazi basikho united. Siyazi ukuthi ebalungwini abasibuki ngalendlela le nina nenza ingathi basijonga ngayo. Abelungu baprotect abelungu. Nina ama leaders abadayisa abantu abamnyama nani funi protect abelungu nidayisa thina. You busy sucking ass of white people at our expense. You are nothing but ass suckers of white people. They're not standing for us. This GNU is not for us. There's no unity in South Africa. There's no rainbow nation in South Africa. You are busy imposing this fake rainbow nation thing on us. While we know very well there's no such. Ninganiyeke nabadayisi joina nje nibadefenda belungu nidle leyo mali ni-enjoy izikhundla niyeke ukusebenzisa igama labahluphekayo ngenjongo zokuthi nina you want to circle a political score whatsoever you want to circle. No, this is so fucking disappointing. Nishiye bafuna nijonge nje Yabo. Ema nijonge ninibone. Dala gcinana.